Hello, and welcome to science. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Well, that's what science is. Science should be an adventure. Anytime that you're exploring and you're learning about the things around you, then you're doing science. So maybe you're just outside at the park and you're playing, or you look up at night and you see the stars. Or maybe you're inside and you're playing with blocks and figuring out how those work, or you're helping in the kitchen. All of these things have to do with science. As you explore, you ask questions like, why does water fall from the sky? Why do we see a rainbow after a storm? Why does the moon change shape in the sky? Why do things fall to the ground? How do planes fly through the sky? Why do cookies change in the oven? How do fish breathe underwater? Why do birds have wings? Why do some animals live in the Arctic and others live in the jungle? Science helps us answer all of these questions and so many more. But do you know the best part about science? It's that you're the one asking these questions. You're the one exploring to find the answer. And then you get to test your ideas. You're the one that gets to make the discoveries. You can be an incredible scientist. Every question you ask is like opening a door to an exciting adventure. So, are you ready to go on this science adventure with me? I'm Amanda, and I'm so excited to explore the world of science with you and to learn about how things work, to test our ideas, and to make new discoveries. So, are you ready? Let's go.